What's up everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and thank you so much for coming by. I just got out of the shower. Oh shoot, hold on, I still gotta put on clothes. Alright, hey everyone, how's it going? Sorry about that. I know I'm a little weird. I actually didn't need to go put on clothes though. How's it going? My name is Dylan. Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. And the Rideshare Hub is a place for Uber and Lyft drivers to learn how to make more money. And today's video, Lyft, literally, I just got this notification on my app, and they just launched a new way to make more money. It's they just launching hotspots. It's called new hotspots are now live in your city. Yeah, I'm gonna get into all of it. It's basically changing the whole system on how Lyft works. So I'm gonna go out later, do some rides, and I'm going to talk about it. I'm gonna try it, test it out in real life. Well, I guess this is technically real life, but I'm gonna test it out and then, you know, give feedback on how much more I do make. But yeah, I'm just sitting here sipping on my coffee. You know, my huge French press. This is huge, guys. Look, it's like twice the size of my mug. It's like the size of my face almost. Oh, it pretty much is. Drinking a face full of coffee every morning. But yeah guys, before I get into the video, please smash the thumbs up button. It really does help me out a ton. Just tap it, whatever, turn it blue. I really do appreciate it, helps me out. It also helps out the YouTube algorithm when you watch my videos. The longer you watch my videos, you know, if you watch those ads, it all, you know, it all helps out. Anyways, and then subscribe if you want to be notified whenever I post videos. You know, you don't want to miss out on easy ways to make money. So yeah, anyways guys, what do you guys think of this dude, Logan Paul? I know he's like did that whole controversial thing, but he's like, look at this. His videos now hardly get any thumbs downs, and he did something like crazy. But and then I just saw him on let's see, on BBC, on talking about flat earth. And then look at the ratings on here though. Well, I did thumbs it down. I don't know, I guess I don't like him, but whatever. So yeah, I don't know, I'm just curious. Anyways, I have I don't know, OCD, ADHD, ADD, I'm not really sure. Here we go guys, here it is. As you can see, this is my actual app. So I know some of you guys are like, oh, he's a fake driver, whatever, he doesn't drive. I don't know how I would fake it, but whatever. Here's my Lyft app. Oh, no, you can't see my location, okay. Yeah, here are my notifications for the, what's it called? For the week. Here we go, new, hotspots now live in your city. Launching hotspots, a real-time map feature that helps you better see where it's busy and drive smarter, learn more. Here we go guys, the hub. Whoa. The hub. Is that a play on words on the Rideshare Hub? Are they like copying me now? Is Lyft copying the Rideshare Hub? No, I'm just kidding. The hubs were way before me, so. But I do think that is pretty funny. It should say the Rideshare Hub. Imagine if I had like, you know, a brand deal with Lyft. It just said the Rideshare Hub. Hotspots, new and improved for clear demand. Clearer. Okay. Seeing where passengers are requesting rides around town helps you plan your time on the road. That's why we created hotspots. A new map feature that empowers you to drive smarter by showing passenger demand in real time. In high demand areas, increase your chances of getting rides and earning more. Look at that, earning more guys. This is a new way to make money. Hotspots will be rolling out in select cities in the coming months. How hotspots work: when there's high demand, you'll see hotspots on the home screen map in the Lyft driver app. Zoom in or zoom out, you'll see exactly where passengers are requesting more rides. What's new? Oh, streak challenge? Does that mean we get to run around naked and we get paid? They shouldn't put streak and challenge right next to each other, because, you know, that could get confusing. You don't want imagine just a bunch of drivers streaking, being like, well, we're getting paid, they told us to. Some of you guys are crazy. I wouldn't be surprised if Dave the Uber slave started doing a streak challenge. Drivers can now see a region-wide view where passengers are requesting rides. See where it's busy. Oh, so they'll tell you, so you can just go like exactly where. Oh, Chicago. I was just in Chicago. Oh, I just literally was at the Navy Pier like the other day. We walked from like, we walked so far. I walked right on along the coast right there. I was literally walking right there. You probably saw me if you were nearby. See where it's busy. High demand areas increase your chance of getting a ride. Negotiate. Oh, sorry, navigate. Oh, there's no bonus? Dang it, I want the bonus. Navigation, tap the icon to navigate to a hotspot, or tap and hold anywhere else on your map to navigate there. Hella hotspots. Again, with the streak challenge. Dave the Uber slave. You might see him streaking, trying to get that bonus. Sorry, Dave. I'm not trying to pick on you. If there's any like rideshare YouTuber that I could see doing the streak challenge, well, maybe Dark Road Run. Didn't he like streak at the Uber headquarters? I don't think Harry Campbell would be doing that. Maybe Dustin. Okay. Levels of demand. Who are the other rideshare? Comment down below. Who's your favorite rideshare YouTube? Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. I just did a poll on my site. Comment down below, guys. Who is your favorite rideshare YouTube channel? So, oh shoot, what's going on here? Does not look happy. Uber stock all-time low. Weak coffee and morale. Let us fix this. Let us fix this. No. Oh yeah, I just posted a new video, guys. Go check that one out. 30 mistakes. Anyways, here we go. Rideshare Hub. That's me. That's my channel. And oh yeah, I just updated all my playlists, guys. Look at this. So you go to my home screen. These are all my playlists. Top ways to make money. Sign up bonuses. Best Lyft driver videos. Uber driver videos. Uber Eats videos, Uber car reviews, tipping drivers money, and special discounts. So I just there's tons of new, I organized it all so you guys aren't like, I know I have like 500 videos so you guys aren't searching through all of them. But yeah, anyways, here's the poll I did. So what's your favorite rideshare YouTube channel? The Rideshare Hub, 24%. Dustin is driving at 60%. Let's see who else commented down below. None. Rideshare Revolution, y'all thrilling, and I love y'all. The Rideshare Hub, because of this channel, I've been able to add a tablet and cargo box to my business. Gio and the Rideshare Revolution, because he's the Michael Jordan of rideshare drivers. Not all these other BS people that don't even drive and think that's what's going on. And thinks they know. I don't know. Maybe English is not his first language. Okay, back to the app. Sorry guys, I get distracted. But yeah, let me comment down below who's your favorite rideshare YouTuber. Yeah, I also did want to see, okay, so yeah, here we go. Here are the frequently asked questions. Do I earn more for driving to a hotspot? They said, you will not receive a bonus for driving to a hotspot. This feature is meant to help guide you to an area where you're more likely to get a ride. So yes and no. What is happening to the demand maps? As a part of the new hotspot experience, you will no longer see the previous demand view on your app map. When I will see a hotspot versus personal power zone, personal power zones are still always not available. Are not always available. We heard that drivers still prefer to have more tools to see when they're likely to get a ride. If you're in an area with high passenger demand but personal power zones are not available, you'll see hotspots. What determines whether a hotspot shows up in my specific area? You guys ask a lot of questions. Okay, let's go into my app and see. Let's see how it looks. I really don't want to show my location, so just close your eyes for a second, okay? Oh, yep, you can see my look. Oh my gosh. Whoa, I do not want to. Okay, let me see if I can go somewhere where my location is not. Let's go to LA. There's gotta be like some hotspots in LA. Okay, here we go. Look, I'm 5% to my goal this week. $2,000. It's not letting me go there for some reason. Irvine. Oh shoot, can you see my location? No. Okay, Irvine. I don't see hotspots anywhere. Where the heck are these hotspots at? Maybe they're not here yet. But yeah, so anyways, oh yeah, I did want to, what do you guys think about these other ones? There's these other hotspots. Do you guys use hotspot apps? There's two in particular that I've heard good things about. Fair Pilot and Gridwise. This one, the ultimate driver assistant app. This one, these ones show you hotspots, events, offers, useful pins. This is what I like the most in the app. Let me see if I can go to it. This is what I like most in the app. You go here. Well, yeah. So yeah, on this side, I'm trying not to show my address, so that's why I'm kind of hiding my thing. This is my favorite part of the Lyft app. It shows you like when are the busiest times in general. So I try to time my rides like during these peak times, and so I'll like look here and like now I might go out, but then if it's like, even look, it's a Tuesday, pretty much after 5, it's all pretty low, so there's not even any point. Maybe like there it's like decent, but like yeah, and then like Thursday is like crazy high, like in the middle of the day randomly. So I don't know. This is my favorite. Like, it's not a hotspot, but this is what I use. And then like even Sunday's like horrible all day until the nighttime. Monday's good, like pretty much all day until the afternoon. Wednesday is randomly also really good. I guess I don't know what they do. Friday, look at that. So, oh yeah, and then the other one is Gridwise. Oh, Gridwise.io, the #1 assistant. I've heard really good things about these guys though. So let me know what app you guys use, or if you're using the new hotspot, let me know. And then also let me know how much more money you'll make. And then also, again, I'll try to go out probably this week or maybe today, do some rides, try to figure out how the hotspot thing works, and so I can let you guys know how it works. So anyways, guys, leave the video a huge thumbs up, and yeah, let's make more money together. Like and subscribe, guys. Hit that subscribe button so you get notified whenever I post vids. Later, guys. All right, peace.